Hi friend, this is our flavor condom. It is not only flavor, also color condom. We have 3 pieces in one box and 12 pieces in one box. And on our box has different language. This is our Recare brand. Now we are finding distributor in different countries. In one country, we only need 1 or 2 distributor. If you're interested in to be our distributor, we can give you discount, and you can contact with us if you're interested in. We also accept the OEM order. So OEM order quantity is 150,000 pieces. In one box for this one has 3 different color. One is yellow color, another one is red color, and the third one is green color. Now I open this one to show the color. The size is for European size, big size. This is a red color. We always put this more lubricant inside. The normal we put 400 mg, but for this one we put inside 550 mg for this one. So the quality is very good. The latex is also the topest quality, topest brand. So if you're interested, welcome, you contact with us.